Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on Google Lens. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Google Lens application, you will find that there is no option to delete your history from within. So in order to proceed with deleting your account history, long press on the Google Lens application and tap on the info button at the top right. You will now be taken into the application info page, from which first of all tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. You can then scroll down and tap on storage. And now from the storage menu, tap on the clear cache button at the bottom right corner. And now this will clear all of the application cache, which includes your search history. Once you tap on this option, if you go back to the Google Lens application, you can start using the app right away, and your login information is still saved. However, your history will not remain anymore. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your search history on Google Lens. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.